Hello everyone, welcome to InfoFeather's YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the best website for conversion of given text into handwriting form directly without using any software or without using any app. The handwritten text can be downloaded as an image or PDF directly. I'll show you how to achieve this step by step. If this video gets 100 likes, then I'll update the next part. In that, I'll explain how to generate your handwriting as fonts or custom fonts in detail. So, why late? Click on the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. For more interesting tricks, hacks and information, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell button and support us. So now let's start the video. Watch the video completely to know how to open this page. Once you open this page, you can see there are a lot of options like input, customization, handwriting, page and text options, spacing, margin line option, etc. I'll explain each one of this step by step. As you can see here, already data is present by default. You can clear the page by pressing a backspace, or you can select everything and then click on backspace. See, if you do this, now the page is empty. You can type whatever you want, like how I am doing it right now. Or else you can copy paste the text from any other document directly into this. And coming to the handwriting font section, there are 4 font styles, including English and Hindi. You can select whichever you like. As you can see, if you change the font style, the font on the pages also will change automatically. So select whichever font you want. By default, it is set to 10 points. You can change the font size according to your preference, like 5, 10, 15, etc. You can set a maximum font up to 30 and a minimum font is 1. But I prefer a default one, which is 10. You can even change the ink color to blue, black, red. As you can see, it changes the color of the font. And coming to the page size. Page size is set to A4. You cannot change it to any other format. It supports only A4. In effects, there are 3 types like shadow, scanner and no effect. You can see the difference using effects in this picture. You can set the resolution for both page and font. It ranges from a very low to very high. By default, it is set to normal. And coming to the spacing option, in vertical position, you can change the font position like above the line, below the line or center based on your requirement. This is the example for vertical position. Using word spacing option, you can set space between each word ranging from 0 to 100. 0 means no space. 100 means huge space between words. Using letter spacing option, you can set space between letters ranging from 0 to 40. 0 means no space and 40 means more space between the letters. In margin and line option section, if you want, you can apply page margin. You can also switch between ruled or unruled using paper line option in just one click. If you want to custom pages by using upload option, you can also upload the required page and set it as a background. It will be useful for you in order to submit your assignments like in college or school, etc. After entering the data and making the required settings, finally click on the generate button. Now, in the output section of the page, the page will be displayed. You can download as an image or even you can directly download in a PDF format in just one click. Open Google, enter text to handwriting, click on enter. Now search and open the link named Text to Handwriting by Saurabh Davare. And also I'll provide link in the description so you can open the website directly. And caution, if you are using it for writing assignment. Make sure you use it at your own risk, and we are not responsible for any kind of misuse. This is just for the information purpose, so use it wisely. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to Info Feathers, and thank you for watching.